Namaste friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I would like to share another healthy millet dosa recipe with the raw banana, which is specially good for diabetic, obese and hypertensive people. Hearty congratulations and special thanks to Padma Shri Dr. Kadar sir, Millet Man of India, who inspired and introduced us to millets. Here I have taken 1 cup of little millet. You can use any millet of your choice. Wash it thoroughly and discard the water. Then soak it in fresh water for 6 to 8 hours. Here I have taken 2 raw bananas. Peel off the outermost skin like this. You have to retain the fiber portion, only the thin outer skin you have to peel. Cut it into cubes and immediately transfer it to a bowl containing water. Soaking in water helps to remove the gummy exudate of raw banana and helps to retain normal color. While cutting raw banana, we can smear our palms with any edible oil to prevent sticky gummy exudate. Repeat the procedure with the remaining banana and we can soak it for 5 to 10 minutes. After soaking for 5 to 10 minutes, transfer the banana cubes into blending jar by adding little water, preferably millet soaked water. Grind it to form smooth paste. Now add soaked millet and grind again. Transfer it to a bowl. You can add little water. Add pink Himalayan salt as per taste and give a nice mix. This is the perfect consistency of the batter. This dosa does not require any fermentation. Heat cast iron tawa on medium flame. Apply gingerly oil. Take 1 ladle full of batter and spread as thin as possible. Cover a lid and cook for 1 minute. Now drizzle fresh desi ghee or any cold pressed oil of your choice. Flip the dosa and cook the other side. Super healthy millet raw banana dosa is ready to serve. Serve it with any side dish of your choice. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.